Okay, so according to Apple themselves, your iPhone battery's health is expected to drop all the way to 80% after completing 500 battery cycles, where one battery cycle actually represents a fully battery discharge all the way from 100% to 0%. If we do the math, let's say that you fully discharge your phone and recharge all the way to 100% every single day. A year has 365 days, which means that your battery health is expected to drop all the way to 90%, which is something close to a decrease of 1% every single month. And yeah, that's exactly what most of the iPhone users have reported online, a decrease of 1% of their battery health. So this is the average decrease of battery health. If your iPhone drops 1% per month, do not worry because that's average. But in this video, I'll provide you hacks and cool tips that are going to help you avoid this battery decrease really fast. So you can remain on 100% battery health for months and months, let's say 2, 4, and even 6 months without even decreasing 1%. Let's jump straight into the video. What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to maintain your 100% battery health on your iPhone and avoid decreasing it fast. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here I am on my iPhone device. In my case, I've got in here an iPhone 12 Pro Max, but if you've got a different iPhone device, do not worry because this tutorial works on any iPhone model. So jumping real quick into the very first tip in here is to actually avoid discharging your iPhone below 50%. Okay, so if you can, if you are at the office or if you are at home, make sure you keep a charger by your side, and every time it gets to 60% or 55%, just plug it into the charger and charge all the way up to 80 or 85%. Make sure you also avoid charging your iPhone several times all the way to 100%. So if you can, if you're not going for a long journey, make sure you charge your iPhone all the way to 80 and 85% because this is going to avoid cycling your battery. So every time you fully discharge your battery or when you fully charge your battery, you're actually contributing for your battery to get cycled. So the best way is to maintain your battery health between 60% all the way to 80%. The second tip in here is to basically avoid fast chargers just like this one. Even if it's original, avoid charging your iPhone with a fast charger unless you really need to charge your iPhone really fast because you're about to run or you're about to leave in a hurry. Then you may use your fast charger, but make sure you avoid using your fast charger every single day. Whenever you can, I would recommend you guys to use the slower charger, which are the pretty older ones right here, because these ones do not heat your phone. Fast chargers are gonna heat up your iPhone device, which will consequently heat up your battery and eventually age your battery even faster. So during nighttime, while you're at home, make sure you always use the slower charger and only use the fast charger in emergency situations. As we all know, battery is made up of lithium, and lithium, when it gets exposed to heat, eventually loses its property, which will eventually age your battery even faster. The next tip that I've got in here to share with you guys is to actually turn on optimized charging option here at battery, okay, on settings, and then by tapping here on battery health, you've got an option here which says optimized battery charging. So basically what it does, when your battery gets to 80% while you're sleeping, your iPhone knows that you're not using your phone. For example, at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning, what happens is your iPhone will start charging slow in order to avoid heating up your phone. So Apple themselves even recognize that when you charge your phone with a fast charger or when you charge your phone faster, it heats up your phone eventually. And that's basically science right there. Okay, so by turning on optimized battery charging, when your phone gets all the way to 80%, it starts charging very slowly. So make sure you guys always turn on this option, and this description right here actually links up to the previous tip that I've just shared with you guys about the fast charger. Okay, so always avoid fast chargers, make sure you're charging with slow chargers. The next and last tip that I've got to all of you guys in here is to avoid exposing your iPhone to heat or high temperatures. Okay, so if you're going out on a sunny day and you're exposing your phone to heat, or at the beach you're exposing your phone to the sun, this contributes to aging your battery because lithium will get eventually heated and will eventually reduce your battery health. So make sure you avoid exposing your iPhone into sunny or heat environments. Make sure you're always having your iPhone on a cool temperature, or at least if you are at the beach, for example, avoid using your iPhone for a lot of time, because by using your phone, you're actually heating up your iPhone even more because it's processing under sunny environments. Okay, so that's the best you can do in order to avoid decreasing your battery health. And also here, talking about heating up your phone, okay, make sure you also step into accessibility and then tap here on display and text size and make sure that you turn on auto brightness so your iPhone automatically regulates your screen brightness according to your environment. Okay, so this will also help you decrease your battery charge, which will also contribute towards avoiding your iPhone to cycle into a new cycle, which will eventually decrease your battery health. So make sure you turn on auto brightness so that when you are at the office, for example, and you decide to simply unlock your iPhone simply doesn't pop up with a very harsh brightness right there, because this consumes a lot of battery. So this was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. If you find my content useful here on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below so that my content can actually be recommended on the algorithm to reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.